Okay, so this is going to be a video on how to teach yourself CSS. And we're not going to go into a lot of CSS, but just enough so that you can follow tutorials on how to build a website using WordPress. Okay, so we're going to go to W3Schools.com. Okay, this is their landing page, and over here by tutorials we're going to go under Learn CSS. Okay, and so this is set up. It's not alphabetical, but it is curricularized. In other words, they take you from the very beginning, explaining to you what CSS is, and they teach you a few things as you go. And as you learn the coding and the different changes, you can try it yourself. And then over here, you will change, whatever you want to change. And you click the run button, and then you will see the changes over here. Okay, and these always open in a new window, so you never lose your place. So you're going to go through all of the different pages. Okay, introduction, syntax, these are the basics. They explain how everything is set up. Okay, and then you're going to learn all of the different codes for padding, margins, height, width, everything here. Okay, and down here is CSS3. This is the latest. You're going to also go through this and look at everything. CSS responsive. Okay, we'll be doing media queries when we build in WordPress, so you might want to look at those. Okay, and then down here at the very bottom, this is a good tip for beginners. Since we've already talked about HTML, and in this one we're going to go over some CSS, just enough to see it in action when I make a landing page. Okay, so if you right click and open in a new tab, same thing here, open in a new tab. Whenever you're working, you can have your references right here. So if you're working on your project and you can't remember how to set up a form, you click on the HTML reference and you search form, and here it is. Okay, and you can go right to it, and it'll show you exactly how the forms are set up. And it's the same thing with the CSS reference. If you can't remember, oh, now what was the background color again? All right, you go down and here shows up, and then you click right onto the page that you need. So this is a good way for a beginner to work. So next, I'm going to go into building a small landing page, not using WordPress, in case anybody just needs to create one landing page. You'll learn enough to be able to do what you want. And by the time you see it in action, you will know enough CSS so that when we begin the tutorial on how to build a WordPress website, you'll have no problems.